Hi, everybody. My name is Dr. Michelle Branch, and I wanted to introduce myself for those of you who couldn't come to meet your teacher back to school night. Hi, everybody. I wanted to introduce myself for those of you who couldn't come up and see me in person. My name is Dr. Michelle Branch, and I teach English 12, and I'm really looking forward to meeting all of the students this year. I want to tell you a little bit about myself and then a little bit about the class. This is my 24th year teaching and my 16th year as a Bronco. I have taught English 12 for most of my career. I really love this age group. It's so exciting to see the kids at the end of the year, go off in different directions. So really love this age group. A little bit about myself personally. I'm married and I have my oldest daughter will be graduating this year from UCM. She will be a special ed teacher. And then I have a son that is starting middle school this year in the Lee Summit R7 district. And then my little one is 7 and she's very excited to be starting second grade. Some of the things that I love to do is travel, and I have taken several trips overseas with students in the district. And I love to, we're really involved in Scouts, so we do a lot of outdoor activity with that. And of course, I love to read. I'm into book clubs, and I love teaching. Even though this is my 24th year, I'm always just as excited as my first year. Let me tell you a little bit about the class. First semester, the students will read 2 choice books. The first one will be a novel of their choice. So I take them to the library. Hopefully we'll be able to do that. And they get to choose their own novel. And then second quarter, they choose a nonfiction book. We also hit hard on grammar, and I teach grammar or kind of refresh their memory on it as it pertains to strengthening the writing. We'll do a couple of writing pieces this semester, and we have a really cool unit. It's the media unit, so we talk a lot of cool stuff about that. Second semester, we read a really cool book. I don't know if you've heard of it before, but it's called Tuesdays with Maury. So it's a really, really good book, especially for this age group. So, and then we continue with writing and do a project at the end. So we don't have a lot of homework in the class, but I tell the students the trade-off is that we work from bell to bell. So a lot of cool stuff that we're doing. You can always reach out to me at any time. The best method is through email, and I check that all day long, so I can get back to you fairly quickly. So anyway, I'm really enjoying meeting the students and getting to know the parents. So I hope everybody has a great year, and I will see you soon.